up, guys? Welcome to Agape of Nature. And today we're going to be finding out how to cure a UTI without antibiotics. Now, over time, we build resistances to antibiotics because of the living bacteria has become resistant, making it stronger and able to cause serious diseases for the host who carry them because they can't be treated. So if this remains untreated, it can cause a severe infection, increased complication, and risk for mortality. So it's very important to get inside the ways of nature to be healing ourselves and curing ourselves. Sometimes we may need modern medicine, but if it's something that we can cure ourselves, something as a UTI, which is fairly easy to do at home, then we should do that. And we should save the doctor for a real emergency. Okay? So we're not saying don't visit the doctor. We're just saying use it for the things that are important. When you have a UTI, you will experience symptoms. Sometimes that can include frequent urination, pain in the bladder, in the groin, the lower abdomen. Urine can be foul smelling. It can be dark in color, and there can be blood in there as well for both men and women. And a fact about UTIs is that it's way more frequent in women than it is in men. UTIs are caused by bacteria, E. coli, in the digestive system that gets into your urine and travels back up to your bladder. And it can affect any part of your urinary system, including the kidneys, ureters, the bladder, and the urethra. Now we're going to be looking at 5 herbs for healing your UTI naturally at home. First is oregano. Oregano oil is very powerful, it's very potent antibacterial oil. So when you get it, it should be dark in color. You want to put a few drops inside of a capsule and take that, and make sure that you have something on your stomach because it can be very irritating, and plus you don't want to cause any digestive disruption. So make sure you eat first and make sure you do your research. Next, we have cranberry. I use this frequently. Personally, I take 2,000 milligrams. 2,000 milligrams per day for 7 days. You don't want to be taking in any sugar. You do not want to be taking in any alcohol. It's recommended that you take 400 milliliters of at least 25% juice. Make sure you're getting all your vitamin C. Take a probiotic with all of these treatments. Next up, we have garlic. Now, garlic has properties that can be effective against resistant bacteria. So this is very important because when you take antibiotics, you can become resistant. And so this is actually a good herb to take in prevention of that. And you can take garlic in powder form, pill form, and you can also just add a whole lot extra into your diet and start cooking with it. Next up, I have actually a mixture of 3 herbs that are oils as well. First, this is the clove. Now, the clove, the cinnamon, and the myrrh oil are all 3 oils that are antibacterial and antifungal, and they're going to help get rid of the E. coli. So although I probably wouldn't suggest taking them alone trying to get rid of a UTI, definitely trying to take them together might be a better solution and might be a better preventative solution instead of taking one of these actually apart. These are antibacterial though. So that was important to put in there. Now, the agave, not agave, but raw manuka honey. Now, this is for people who have catheters. It's good to flush your catheter to prevent infection, growth, acceleration inside of that. So that's going to be important for like elderly. And remember, UTIs are different for men. Men have them less frequently than women, but the elderly do show them different. They can come with a lot of confusion. Okay, so if they have a catheter, try to encourage that. Next on the list, I have uva ursi, and this will help to relieve the symptoms of mild bladder infection before it reaches your kidneys. So you want to reach into that. Okay, another herb I added onto the list was the burdock root. Now, if you want to see how to make a burdock root tea, check out another video. I'll leave it in the description box below. But burdock root tea is antibacterial, so therefore it's going to help get rid of that E. coli that's in your system. So that's just another herb that's good to drink. It's tea. It's very aromatic, tastes earthy, and tastes kind of sweet. So that's a good everyday tea to be drinking just to keep you in a preventative stage, and it helps prevent a lot of other things too. So I wanted to add that in there as well. Now, it's very important that with all of these different home remedies, that there are 3 things that you need to be doing. That is taking a probiotic, okay? Because once you flush out all that bad bacteria, you need to be replacing it with the good ones, right? So make sure you're taking a probiotic no matter which remedy that you choose. And second, you need to up your vitamin C intake. Make sure you're not drinking any sugar, no alcohol, and just help your system flush. No matter which remedy you take, make sure you're helping your system flush. And some of the fruits that actually help you to do this is bananas, papaya, oranges, lemons, cantaloupe, strawberries, lychees, and papaya. I already said that one. And you also number 1, make sure you're flushing out by taking in as much water as you can, because what this video was all about, doing it without the antibiotics, so it's going to take a little bit of work, but you can get it done. I recommend starting off with the cranberry extract or the oil of oregano. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my podcast that I am in on all your favorite streaming stations, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.